Welcome in once again to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. Guys, this content is not official financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Let's get into it. Guys, the fear and greed index. The market is still greedy, even though we had a massive Bitcoin dump. But Bitcoin has recovered in the last 24 hours. We'll discuss that in the charts a little bit later in the episode. But I believe in the next 5-6 hours, when we receive an update for this is going to update and it'll probably head above the 60s, but we'll see. You know, the market got a little bit neutral yesterday. It really didn't know what Bitcoin was going to decide to do. But overall, we've been greedy for the last month, really. So as we can see, we're in a clear uptrend. We have a low and for now a higher pivot low. And the same thing with the highs, just higher highs. So we're still in an uptrend. It's intact. It would have to break down below 33 to break this uptrend. But you know, we did have a considerable pullback here in the last couple of days from these top levels here. But all in all, just continuing the trend continuing along, and the trend is your friend until the end. So you know, let's see what happens with regards to that. Then we have Bitcoin, guys, in the last 24 hours up 7.73%, guys. So it made a move in the last 24 hours, as we can see, and in the last 7 days has pretty much been stable around the same price range, up 1.32%. We do see that the market cap is up 7.76% at $575 billion, and the volume is up at $26 billion, up 77%. Wow. So Bitcoin is pumping up. You know, the banks are crashing. A brand new bank went down now, FRC Bank. That's crazy. That is crazy. Let me just FRC Bank. I forgot to look this up. Let me just briefly show you guys. Look, First Republic continues to plunge its stocks, because it's losing all its value, man. People are, going to Bitcoin now. They're making the necessary moves, and yeah, yikes. You can clearly see the volume coming into the market. So let's discuss that in the charts. But before we do, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It really helps out. It should be around here for you guys, right around this area. And also click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press content, guys. Hey, click that bell, click the sub. I would really appreciate it. And also like this video, as it really helps out with the algorithm. And what we give back is a playlist, free educational playlist with educational presentations and everything you would need to learn about cryptocurrency, all in one place. Make sure you check the link in the description down below. Just grab a pen, pencil, and or paper, and just get to it, all for free. Guys, we see here Bitcoin currently pumping up in the last 48 hours, up near that $30,000 rounded number once again. Right now at 29,723. Really, the key is that it's pumping back up, above this clear resistance of $28,679. That's the importance of this candle today. Really, really important, guys, to keep an eye on this, because this continues to be pivotal resistance until we close above. So we'll see later on today. By our next update, we'll make sure to definitely provide that for you guys, and it could be headed toward that $30,500 pivotal resistance level for Bitcoin. We see that clear rebound off this uptrend here, the green uptrend line. So yeah, right now it's in this formation. It's just stuck in this I don't know why that doesn't work, but just stuck in this formation, trying to make a decision to either break down or break above. So exciting times. You see the curvature here with the indicators where that momentum is coming in, at least on the daily chart. So we'll make sure to keep you updated with that. But on a weekly, we do see that, basically what could end up happening is just allowing time for this moving average to catch up, where possibly, we can come and retest that $25,185 on the weekly at that point of convergence or confluence. But we'll see. Nothing is guaranteed. I mean, right now, Bitcoin's holding strong. It's just up here on the weekly. Massive volatility for the past 3 weeks. Just trying to make a decision to get either and close above 30K or to come back down to 25K. And, this would be massive support. Actual support with the horizontal line as well as with the moving average. So we'll see what happens. And then the Bitcoin dominance. Wow, just amazing, guys. It's amazing. We've been consolidating in this pattern here between 47 and 48%. And, now we're pumping back up, trying to, take out the previous pivot high of 49%. If it does that, then yikes, man. Bitcoin might pump into oblivion and, leave the alts behind, man. So let's see what happens. Exciting times ahead. We'll definitely be here to continue to provide you, with at least weekly updates and, here and there. So guys, we have our website link in the description down below. Make sure you check it out. Just great investment tools and resources for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode. All in all, the trend is still intact. The trend is still going upwards, and the trend is your friend until the end, until it breaks down or it makes a pivotal decision towards the upside. Then we just have to continue to monitor the markets. Guys, thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.